Hi everyone, welcome back. In this lesson, we are going to look at a very useful little trick when adjusting PCB routing, how to add nodes to a chassis. When you are routing a PCB, sometimes you may want to fine-tune the shape of chassis. For example, you might need the chassis to avoid a component, optimize the routing path, or simply make the layout look cleaner. In these situations, adding a node can be very helpful. First, in the PCB editor, select the chassis that you want to adjust. After selecting it, right-click on the chassis, and in the menu that appears, find the option called Insert Node. Once you click Insert Node, you can choose any position along the chassis to add the node, and the system will create a new control point on the chassis. After the node is added, you can drag the node to adjust the shape and the direction of the chassis, making your routing much more flexible. One thing to keep in mind is that nodes are mainly used for small local adjustment. If you add too many nodes, the chassis may start to look a bit messy, so it's best to add them only when needed. And that's how you add nodes to a PCB chassis. It's a simple trick, but it can make your routing adjustment much easier and more efficient. See you in the next lesson.
$85,000 prize pool. The EasyEDA 2026 Stars competition is now open worldwide. Material costs largely reimbursed. $100 JLC coupon for every qualified completed project. Top 28 engineers get invited to JLC Factory to see production up close. No pitch decks, no fluff, just working hardware. Submit your build now.